In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade in Olymp Trade. Now, the first thing you have to do here, of course, when you open up your dashboard, your trader over here, your account. For me, I'm currently signed into my demo account. Then you have to just go to either buy or sell over here on the right-hand side. And before you do this, make sure you actually do select the correct account. Okay, so just click on the one you want to use. And then here, you want to go to buy or sell. And then you want to put in the amount. So let's just do 1 over here. And also, you can do, of course, percentages in case you want to, so you're completely free to do it. You could use a multiplier if you want here. You could just click to actually add a multiplier. And then down here, you can also set a pending order if you want to set an opening price. You could also make it auto close, set take profits, stop losses, stuff like that. And then in here, you can then just go ahead and place either the buy or the sell order by clicking on this button over here. And then your order will be placed, okay? You can also go to trades here on the left hand side. It's going to open up your current trades, your current positions, where you can then cancel your orders and cancel the position. So that's how to trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.